Hi, it's Tim with your inaugural edition of ATS TV. And today, we're going to talk about commercial kitchen faucet stems. Hi, welcome to the inaugural edition of ATS TV. Today, we're talking stems. Now, there are a lot of different kinds of stems. You have check stems, ceramic stems, you have compression cartridges, metering cartridges, self-closing, all kinds really. So we're going to discuss the three big boys in the industry, and that's going to be your compression stems, your ceramic stems, and your check stems. Okay, we're going to discuss check stems first because you can't really compare them to anything else. I can't compare them to the ceramic stems or the compression stems because they do have their unique purpose. And the unique purpose is this. Check stems prevent crossflow. Here's what I'm talking about. You're going to have a check stem installed on either a mop sink faucet, a service sink faucet, or most commonly a pre-rinse faucet. Now on a pre-rinse faucet, it's easy to leave the faucet turned on. So what happens is when it's on, you can't tell it's on unless you're actually using the sprayer. So when someone stops using the sprayer, 9 times out of 10 these faucets get left on. And what happens if you don't have a check stem is you can get crossflow. Now what crossflow is when you have the hot water on, it could backfeed into the cold water side. Now when it backfeeds, all kinds of funky, strange things can happen. And when I say funky, strange things, what I mean is that hot water goes everywhere. It goes to your toilets. It goes to other sinks. Any place in your facility. Who knows? So what the check stem does is it actually prevents the crossflow from happening by actually giving a check valve or a backflow device built into the actual stem itself. So this is going to prevent that cold water and the hot water from mixing and bleeding and going anywhere else in the store. The check stem. Very similar to the compression stem, there are parts you can repair and replace. But as you see, this right here has a spring and a plunger. This is the check valve itself. But once again, repairable washers, repairable barrels, repairable stems, everything breaks down, everything is replaceable. Okay, now that we've talked about the check stems, now we can talk about why we prefer your compression over your ceramic stems. First, we'll start with the compression stem, my favorite. The reason why? It is very repairable. Compression stems are really easy. They operate by having a seat or a washer, and as that seat and washer make a connection, water opens or closes and turns off. And what's nice about these is because you can take these apart, you can replace washers, you can replace just the barrels, just the stems, individual washers or screws, compression stems. The ceramic stem. Now what's nice about these is these are quarter turn, so they only open or close a certain amount. As you turn it on, it clicks in place, it's on. As you turn it off, clicks in place, it's off. Now the downside to these is, this is the entire cartridge. If something ever went wrong with this cartridge, you have to replace the entire cartridge. There are no parts available for these. It's, you put it in, it works. It breaks, it doesn't work. Now I will say, in a bathroom scenario or a labby faucet, ceramic stems are fantastic, and here's why. You open it, you close it, it has a natural opening position, it has a natural closing position, and most of the time in a bathroom, pinkies out, we're going to treat this with care. Here's why I don't like a ceramic cartridge in a commercial kitchen, because we all know, when things are tough, we're using anything but our hand to turn off that faucet. So there you have it. Those are your main differences between your different stems. You have your check stems, your ceramic stems, and your compression stems. Now just remember, keep your ceramic cartridges in the bathrooms. We don't want them in the commercial kitchen at all. They damage way too easily. Your compression stems, put them anywhere. Check stems, mop sinks, pre-rinse faucets. So once again, this is Tim. It's been great hanging out with you guys. Come check out the channel, learn some stuff, If you want to get these parts, check out the website, atssupply.com. We try to make it super easy to navigate, go through, figure out what you're trying to get, easily identified by different manufacturers, different kinds of parts, really easy to navigate. Go in there, check out. Otherwise, check out the website itself. You can go to the catalog section and see what we have to offer. Just check it out. And if you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and also subscribe. Have a great day. This is Tim at ATS. See ya.